Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 multiply 2. Okay, so 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 multiply 2. Now 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 multiply 2. Okay, so 1 times 2 is equal to 2. This is a not correct answer, right? So for the order of operations we use PEMDAS rule. So parentheses first, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. So solve again. Okay, so 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 multiply 2. Now multiply first. 2 minus 1 times 2 is equal to 2, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a correct answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.